are just so happy that this came together. We just want you to enjoy the best of Niagara. When it comes to these tensions, I can't give you the magical formula, because leadership means that we don't learn to solve them, we learn to manage them well. With any of these tensions, you can do three things. You can understand it better, and there's a way that we can do that. I'll explain that in a moment. You can assess how well am I doing right now, and then what we can do is that we can leverage it. How many people though would say in your role or even in your team, your ability to kind of manage and deal with change is a pretty important skill set?
I'm going to invite us to, if you will, turn the mirror on ourselves and start to look at what role we play when it comes to change.